In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a call to action button to your Wix site. This process is very straightforward and simple to follow, no matter what your level of tech expertise might be. Therefore, the first thing you will want to do to add a call to action button on Wix is find the ad icon on your dashboard. This ad icon is typically located on the left-hand side of your screen and is represented with a plus symbol. It is an essential tool in Wix, allowing you to add all sorts of features to your site, such as text boxes, images, and of course, buttons. Once you've located and clicked on this ad icon, you will want to seek out the button option within the menu that pops up. It may require a bit of scrolling, but you should be able to easily spot it. Buttons are frequently used elements on websites, making their inclusion in this menu a no-brainer for the folks at Wix. After you've clicked on the button option, you now need to actually add it to your page. You can do this by simply clicking wherever you want the button to appear on your site. You could put it at the top of the page, the bottom, or anywhere in between. Wherever you think will be most effective for achieving your desired goal, be it increasing newsletter signups, boosting sales of a particular product, or something else entirely. Now that you've placed your button, it's time to customize it with your own text. In the world of web design, this is known as a call to action, or CTA for short. This is because it's explicitly calling on your site's visitors to take some sort of specific action. Therefore, you'll want this text to be as persuasive and compelling as possible, while also being clear and concise. Choosing the right wording for your CTA is crucial. You should carefully craft your CTA to align not only with the overall objective of your site, but also with the specific page where the button is located. For example, on a product page, your CTA might be something like Buy Now, while on a contact page, it might be Get in Touch. Upon reaching this point, your call to action button is fully operative. As you can see, adding a CTA button to your Wix site is a straightforward process and a powerful way to increase user engagement. Remember, the power of a CTA button lies in its ability to motivate your website visitors to take a desired action. With time and practice, you'll learn what works best for your audience, allowing you to continuously optimize your CTA buttons for maximal engagement and conversions. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and straightforward. Now, it's your turn to spruce up your website with a compelling call to action button. Happy editing!